Hey guys, Zipki here, and today we're gonna talk about my collection because why not? My Balisong collection is not as big as other Balisong YouTubers, but who cares? So yeah, let's get started. We go from the oldest to the newest. So this is my first Balisong. It's your typical stainless steel benchmade clone. This thing is crappy quality, but it still does flip, and it really does start me out on this hobby. Now this thing is missing a spacer. The spacer fell out and I couldn't find it, so I had to use a glue gun on that on it, and also put glue gun on there to balance it out. So this is my first CCC. There's nothing much else to say about this one. The Zen pin, I mean the tank pins, not Zen pin. This, if the camera would focus, please. Okay, the tank pins will move just if I do that. I don't know how it hasn't fall out yet. So yeah, that's that. Now on to the next one. It's this monstrosity. This is a flip fins. Now, let me just say this. This is the worst flipper on my collection. Like, I'm just get straight to the point. This thing is not good for flipping. I don't even know if this counts as a Balisong. This thing is all wonky. Like, look at its shape. Look at how wide this thing is. You cannot fan with it. It's too light. It's loud. I had to I had to use glue guns to make it less loud. But still, it's loud. It's not good at flipping. Okay, I'm not gonna spend too much time on this. So that's that. And now, moving on to my third Balisong. It's this, another CCC. This is a comb trainer. I do not know the name. I forgot. I don't even know if it had a name. No, this thing is heavy. I mean, it's not like heavy. It feels heavy because of its extreme handle bias. This thing is way too handle bias, and it's just like, at least for my liking, this thing is way too handle bias. I tried to balance it out with by using tape, but still too handle bias to my liking. And this thing is also like dying as we speak. It has a, a hilarious amount of play, and one of the screws is actually gone. I did not know where the screw went, so I had to use a tape to improvise. And of course, the tank pin fell out, and I had to use like the thing inside of a pen. I do not know what it's called. So that's that. I actually prefer how this flips more than this one. So yeah, moving on to the next bell song. This is the one alien. I mean, not alien. Fuck. This is the one Falcon. Now this is my first good balsam. It's channel aluminum. It runs on bushings, Zenpin. Okay, so I do not know what happened. So my the video just stopped recording. I don't know. I do not know what happened. So I'm gonna just continue it. So this is, as I said, this is my first good bell song. When I first got this, like I was the happiest person on earth. Like I was so excited to open it. Like I could not contain myself. Now this thing is slightly handle bias, but still it's pretty good. This thing has took the beating. You can see by looking at the handles. It's all scuffed. You know, but yeah, it still flips pretty dang good. It is a really good beater. So yeah, that's that. And now for my newest Bao song in my collection, which is the last one, is this, the one alien, and this, you know, obviously this is my favorite Bao song in my collection. Now this thing sounds awesome. I really like the sound of this Bao song, and the design, although it's pretty weird. I kinda like it. This is neutral, which I actually slightly prefer over like this handle bias. I like just light handle bias, and I don't know. Does this have a slight handle bias? I don't know. I think it's neutral, or at least more neutral than this, of course. And this almost has the same specs as this one. It has bushings, channel aluminum handle. It runs on Zen pins, and this one actually has a bite indicator. And yeah, this is like this thing. I love this thing. Like actually, like this is just too good. Like I know there are better ballad songs than the one Alien, but I am yet to try it. I'm too poor, so please, if you want to send me a ballad song, just hit me up. No, I'm just joking. But if you really want to do though, that'd be great. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. This is my goofy little collection here. It's not big. It only contains 4 songs, but I'm happy with it. You know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Bye.